Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. It is so nice outside today. So I'm out doing a little bit of cleaning. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully everyone is doing great. So my greenhouse, okay? My poor little greenhouse. Let me show you guys what the storm did to my poor little greenhouse. Look at that. Look at that. Now, last year we had this same kind and the plastic just blew off. So I was like, okay, we'll just buy, I'll just buy some more plastic for it. It's the same structure from last year, but different plastic for it. And instead of the plastic being ripped off, it's still there. But the structure is destroyed. Yeah. So the upside to that is I get to get a new one. But this one, obviously, is still standing tall. I can see in there now, and I see my raspberries started to sprout new. Ooh, it's all green. It's starting to sprout new, what do you call it? New stems. I couldn't think of it. So yeah, it's not time to open that yet, though. We still, out here in 5B, are definitely not in the clear. It looks nice today, and then the forecast is nice, but at night it's still in the 20s or teens to come. So, and I'm sure there's a sprinkle of snow in there somewhere as a surprise gift. So, they, I remember last season I said we're going to change the what do you call it? Ooh, is that a bee? It is. We're going to change the season to the frost date, the last frost date to May 15th. So, lo and behold, we look for the frost date. When did we look? I want to say December. No, not December. January. Like the end of January we looked. And it said May 15th. I'm like, huh, exactly. That's why I said that. And now it's pushed to that. But then we looked recently and they said April something. I'm like, no, I'll stick to my May 15th. I'll have my seedlings and everything ready. Probably test them out, but not peppers. Hey, get out of that. Goodness. Let's see. There's starting to be some buds on the apple tree. Yeah. I'm starting to be some buds on the apple tree. And the progress on that apple tree that I was like, I might get rid of is just still. Because they really cut it all the way down. Like everything from it. So that'll take a while. I'm not even thinking about it. Looks like the strawberries are starting to sprout some, but I need to move those. I'm going to move the strawberries to the flower bed I had. There's still a lot of work out here to do. It's clean up and the dog, the neighbor, he's back. And steal the landscape fabric. I'm all over the place today, guys. I just got through doing a couple of things. So I'm all over the place. I just thought I'd come in and update you guys on some of the things I'm doing. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. The strawberries are starting to come in. So yeah, everything that was in here just, I guess some came in and moved everything around. But I'll be taking the mother plant. Sorry, I'm not even paying attention to how I'm holding the camera. I'll be taking the mother plant and putting it in my raised bed. Get out. Come on. What are you doing? That's not my dog working. Also, looking at what the rabbit, some of the damage that the rabbit did. Those are onions and garlic. What was left of what wasn't dug up, I guess. I'm guessing, yeah. Mr. Hollis has been out in the garden more so than I have because, of course, like I told you guys, we had a baby. I've been tending to my baby. And not tending to this baby outside. So anyway, I just wanted to come on to share with you guys what we're doing today. Ooh, that was dangerous. And show some of the damage from. Let's go. What are you doing? Why are you back here? Get out. This is not your space. That was my dog. Not barking, but just where he's not supposed to be. It's a lot of cleanup. It's a lot of cleanup this growing season. But we're gonna get started because there's a lot. There's a lot. Ooh. And the bugs are starting to come out, of course. And the bees, which is beautiful. My seedlings are still inside. I won't put them in my greenhouse just yet until I know. Probably till May 15th, like I said. Because it's ridiculous. We'll probably get something right on May 15th. Snow right on May 15th, I'm telling you. But the chicks are doing good also. They are doing good. Make sure you guys can see because I am terrible at the camera if I don't have that little stick on me. I'm gonna take a look at you. Alright, let me check my chicks. I just wanted to come in and say hi and give an update. Many blessings to you all. Like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow.